Hello guys, I'm Kiri, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the first Ferrari flat 12 mid-engine car, a Ferrari 365 BB. In 1960s and 1970s, Ferrari Formula 1 cars been using flat 12 cylinder engines. Then Enzo Ferrari decided to put these engines into a road-going cars. This is the way how 365 BB it came. And it was the first flat 12 mid-engine Ferrari car. The name 365 is coming from the capacity of the cylinder, 365cc, but they are 12, so in total 4,400 or 4.4 liters. BB is coming from Berlinetta Boxer. The type of the body, Berlinetta, this is from Italian language, and the type of the engine, Boxer. So this is 180 degrees flat engine. The car was in production from 1973 to 1976 and just 387 were made. But in 1977 they updated the car to 512 BB and also they update the engine to 4.9 liters. And this car as well had some cosmetic details were changed. For example, the front spoiler was added, the rear lights were reduced from 6 to 4, the exhaust as well from 6 to 4. On front of the rear tire was added air duct for the exhaust cooling. So this was the main changes of the car. The power was more, of course, but we're going to talk specifically about the model 365 BB. But from the old BB series, so they've been in production from 73 to 84 with the model 512 BB, in total 2,323 were made. But just the model 365 BB, how I said, from 73 to 76, and in total just 387 were made. The engine was 4.4 liters, flat 12, and you can see here the front tire Michelin 21570 VR15, and the alloy wheel Campagnolo with just one wheel knob. So you need to wear with your wood hammer if you want to change the tire. And the car looks so beautiful, very clean design, even there is not mirrors outside. So this was one of the best looking cars on that era. Absolutely amazing design by Pininfarina. Absolutely beautiful. And how I said, the engine was 4.4 liters, flat 12, 340 horsepower and 409 Newton meters of torque. The red line was 7,000 RPM, very high, and the maximum speed was 302 kilometers per hour or 188 miles per hour. So this was the first production car to reach 300 kilometers per hour. You can see, designed by Pininfarina, the Italian designer's house Pininfarina. Very beautiful, and all the early models, they was with two tones. They was painted the bottom side black and the top one from that middle line, and the top one in different colors, blue or white or red, any color. You see the rear tires 225/70 VR15 with the same Campagnolo wheels and one wheel knob. The rear they are a little bit wider than the front one. The front one they was 215, the rear one 225. And how I said before, the changes between 365 BB and 512 BB are on the back, most visible they are on the back. So here we have 6 lights, 3 on left side, 3 on the right side, and 6 exhausts as well. 3 on the left and 3 on the right. But later on, 1977, they reduced from 3 to 2 lights and from 3 to 2 exhausts each side. This is a proper UK car, and just 58 of all the 387 they was imported to UK. The rear Guerrero lights and the stainless steel exhausts. The car looks really beautiful with this Ferrari badge on the top of the engine cover. A really absolutely beautiful car. From 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour, the acceleration was 5.4 seconds. The weight was 1,235 kilograms. Very light for this big car. The design, how I said, was made by the well-known Italian house Pininfarina. The first time the car was shown on the 1971 Italian Turin Motor Show. This was the answer of the Enzo Ferrari to the new rival Ferruccio Lamborghini with the model Miura. But very soon Miura was replaced, then Countach, and actually the 365 BB was the rival of Countach. You can see from this angle as well, very clean design. The door handle is very specific for this model. Very small, very nicely made. The backside as well with the 6 lights, the belts where they fitted, the Italian leather, very fine Italian leather, absolutely beautiful car. And how I said before, the Countach actually was the real rival of the Ferrari 365 BB. But 365 BB was better than Countach because Ferrari had more racing history, so they built better performance cars. And just 88 of all the 387 were right-hand drive, and how I said, just 58 of them are just for the UK market. The car was the successor of the very good model on that time, 365 GT Daytona, but Daytona was front engine car. Then in 1984 they replaced BB models with Testarossa. The Testarossa was much more better car and with more usability, of course. Later in 1996 Testarossa was replaced with the model 550 Maranello, and this was the end of the era 180 degrees flat Ferrari engines. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and see you next time. Bye.